right? So guys, today in this video we are going to make this powerful cordless cutter machine. It's rechargeable. Here it's a DC socket, you can see. You can charge it anywhere, you can go it anywhere for cutting. Like if you do not have line supply, then you can go and cut using this machine. You have a flat base, so you can do straight cutting. I had tested the machine, you have already seen at first. So to make this machine, do not forget to watch our video, the before video than this. I have rewinded the motor and according to that I had made this. So do not forget to watch the full video. Sorry guys, mistake. The switch here, it's auto cut switch, high ampere. Sorry, its motor demands very much high ampere. It auto cuts. You can see it works like this. You have to push this button. This is very easy to make. You can easily make it at home. So do not skip the video. All the parts are very important. So watch the full video. Thank you. These are the things we need. First, a 12-volt battery pack with Vega Quick. This is a adapter, blade adapter. I had made it using a lathe. I will show you. And this is a pipe end cap, solder wire, 1 mm square copper wire, DC socket for charging the battery, switch. It has 3 mode of speed for speed control, and 13 ampere switch. Okay, you can use another switch instead of this. Scale for measurement, spade bit for threading the hole, hexa blade for cutting. Previous video winded 775 DC motor with capacitor, 145-degree angle 50 mm pipe band, sandpaper and 50 mm PVC pipe. We need a PVC sheet also. Last thing is our cordless drill machine. This is a box I have fitted in it. Our brand name cordless drill machine. Okay, like this. And okay, so let's start to make it. Let's take the PVC sheet. We had compass and pencil. To make this, first we'll make the safeguard. Okay, and we have to choose the biggest blade size, and I think this is okay. This is the biggest blade slide, which is 107 mm. 107 mm. So let's take the marking of 60 mm. Okay, let's take the marking of 60 mm and let's make a hole here. Let's mark here. Okay. Oh. Because of several cuts here, Let's cut this piece first. Cut, okay. And we have the socket piece cut it, okay. And let's take the motor, okay, and mount also. We'll fit here. It's slightly loose, okay, slightly loose. We have motor use will be on flat base, so like this. And how much it's remaining here, okay. It's remaining up to here, so we'll mark this place. Let's take out the place. This is very necessary part, okay, don't skip this part. After marking, place the blade in the center, okay, as you can place the blade in the center. And according to this marking, you have to mark here also. You can see one is here marking and another here is, you cannot see brightly on camera, but also like this. And you have to let a little above, because we are using the base, how much base you are using. And if you use like here and it here, now you have to cut this part with a scale. I will cut this much, okay, straightly. You have to cut out this part, okay. These are the motor mounting screw. Okay, I had fitted this here with soldering and Pegaquick, so it runs smoothly. Okay, sorry guys, I can't record the video of that part, but it's okay, you can easily do it at home. And we have to mount it right here. This, and you can fit the blades right here like this, and this runs like this. As you can see, blade is too far, we have to make a safeguard right here. So first thing we have to do is about 4 centimeter. We need about 4 centimeter piece to cover this, okay. have cutted this part according to my need. Just a little bit is upper, all flat. Okay, and this pretty looks good than before. I had connected two wires here with the same connection. Capacitor is in parallel. Both are black wires. I do not have any other wires, so I use it. And we had a base piece right here. Its dimension is 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Okay, and we have to fit it like here. But yes, right here. But before fitting, what we have to do is we have to make a groove right here. Yeah, this much groove, about remaining this much. Okay, we have to cut this part from here. According to this, I have this end cap which do not fit here but fit it here, and we can remove it with a little hammer. Yeah, that one a good shot. Okay, now we have to fit it right here. plus, and plus minus are outputs. Let's fit it inside. I use a double-sided tape. You can use bigger quick also. Using this. There are battery voltage. Also the battery holders. Okay, this type of multimeter I have. Let's check out. You can see battery is not charged, just 10.8 volts. Okay, no problem. Here is our group. I will cut it first and show you. I had connected these two pins of switch into DC socket. This is positive, this is one negative. The wires of the motor will go here and the wires of the battery will go here. Okay. We had done all the connections right here. It is very hard thing to fit it because wires are heavy and hard, so it is little hard thing. Guys, I have completed it. Okay, I had not any piece here because the blade is in very upper part and I am very sick now, so I cannot make that. But you can see I had covered it with the tape. This side is empty because if wires are broken, we can resolve it. Okay, and this is very strong. And this I had connected this switch, the old switch. Old switch gets damaged because Fevikwik insert in the switch, so I applied this switch. This is 16 ampere switch, so it's very high ampere switch. Okay, you see, and the DC socket is for charging, and I had charged it. You can open the end cap if the battery got damaged, and let's go for testing. Okay, guys, after coloring, blue color on its body and other no colors. This is filled and connected blade, so let's test it. We have 10 mm plywood piece. tested all the things like metal, wood, PVC sheet. It's very powerful machine. You can easily make it at home and very cheap price. So how did you like the machine? If like, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more interesting and creative projects like this. Thank you.